Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show this Plextone G800 gaming headset. Okay, this headphone already used. So okay, this 100% brand new and premium quality. This weight only 269 gram. One of the lightest over the ear headset for gamer. Species over are design lightweight, breathable nylon fabric, designed to make gamer boil. If you go with 50 mm. This brand name is Plextone. Okay, this brand name is Plextone. This top 10 brand in the world. This control button is already here, and active noise cancellation is here, and volume control is here. Hairstyle is very nice, so premium. And wireless type, this is not wireless, okay, and this support app or USB cable, support memory card, is not supported memory card, okay, and function is sport. This is a gaming headset. This is a controller, sound controller, and this is light controller, switch on off. So nice. I really like this. I really like this headphone. This brand name and model, lightweight and model is made in China. Very lightweight, only 269 gram. Oh, wow. And this color is fully black, so beautiful, so beautiful.
Do you love me?
Then this is not waterproof. Huh? This is not a waterproof. Okay, this is not waterproof, and is metal. You see this? This is metal. Armed with scale. This is a metal, and this is the scale. Accurate adjustment of wearing comfort. Fully accurate. It is accurate. Okay. 7 section. Telescope metal arm. This is the 7 section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 section. I really like this headset. Anyone buy this product price so cheap, only 1290 Taka BDT, 1020. Okay, so thank you so much. So bye bye.